Alright guys, it's 10:30 on Sunday night. We leave tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. to head to San Francisco. Probably gonna leave Colorado Springs around 3:30. Try to get there around 5, depending on the snow and the ice and all that goodness. Currently, Casey is still packing.
Whatever, you just finished.
She says I've just finished, but I've been finished for ages, you know.
Like what?
So, anyways, we leave tomorrow at 6. We head into San Francisco. I have no idea what we're doing when we get there, but I'm super stoked to see some family, i.e. my sister-in-law. So, I gotta go to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Look forward to it. Oh. Morning guys, it is 3:17. On the way to the airport now. Hopefully get like a hot bagel and some coffee and then try to knock out some work while sitting and waiting on the flight to go off. Alright, final packing touches and then we're off. So we've made it on the shuttle. Casey is going to be that person that nobody wants to sit next to, even though she's not contagious. Alright, so we're getting ready to take off. Luckily, Casey maybe scared some people off, looking sort of deathly ill. She's not contagious, but we scored the C. We scored the C. Hopefully she'll move over soon. Alright, so we have landed in San Francisco. We're the last ones off the plane, on our way to go grab our bags now. Casey slept the whole flight. I worked the whole flight. So now, take the BART and head on out of here. Yeah, you stand on the right side, walk on the left. You talking about the escalators?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the easiest way to get bowled over in California.
Yeah, I know.
Is this our bags? Alright, so we've made it to Taylor's apartment. Check it out. Looks pretty sweet. I don't want to go in her room, that might be a little personal. But anyways, I'm gonna build the bike and then I'm gonna head out for a spin a little later on. But yeah, we're just gonna go explore Oakland, or where are we at?
We're in Oakland.
What's it called though? Ridge something?
We're right off the Rock Ridge BART.
Rock Ridge BART. Right off that area. I don't know where that is, but that's alright guys, I'm gonna go out and do like a hour to hour and a half easy. Just go explore. Looks like there's tons of climbing out east, but the gravel's more out west on the coast. So I'm pretty excited to check that out tomorrow. I have like a 70-mile loop created for that tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. So. What's up guys? It's day 2. Casey just told me to shh, because we're walking next to apartment buildings. But little does she know everybody's at work and not everybody sleeps all day like she does. Currently Casey is still sick, but we're on the way to downtown San Francisco to go explore. For the last 2 days I've ridden 70 miles a day, which is pretty sweet. It's been pretty awesome. I got caught in a rainstorm today, which sucked. So I couldn't get any real good footage because I was trying not to crash. But all in all, it's been a good San Francisco so far. How you doing, babes?
Good.
Sweet. So we're currently walking to the wharf, Fisherman's Wharf, right? And exploring downtown San Francisco. I've yet to see the Tanners, but so far so good. Hey guys, so we're in Ghirardelli Square where they make all the chocolate. It's like chocolate heaven over here, and it's super cool and Christmas oriented. So super awesome. Casey's ordering me a hot chocolate right now as we speak, and yeah, so today I did a 4-hour ride, around 70 miles, on and off the gravel. Lots of rain. I think I broke my power meter, which sucks because I ran through a puddle, but hopefully it dries out overnight and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. We're waking up super early to watch the Thanksgiving Day parade, and yeah, it should be fun. Hey guys, how's it going? So yeah, that was the trip to San Francisco. Thanks so much for watching. Huge thanks to Studio Velo for having me on their ride on Friday. Super cool ride, super cool gravel route. It's really cool to explore San Francisco. You got a mixture of everything. You got a mixture of climbing all the way to hanging out by the seaside. So it was super cool, super exciting. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please make sure that you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so I can keep pumping these videos out. I'm having so much fun doing it, and I want to keep doing it, and hopefully I can get this channel to stick and keep going. Anyways, I'm out. Next stop is Detroit. I leave this Thursday, so I'm super excited to get back to Detroit. See you then. Peace.